Hello and welcome to a world of enchanting scents with the Wildflowers Set of 16 premium fragrance oils by Eternal Essence Oils. These 10 ml amber glass bottles come with a dropper for precise dispensing and feature captivating fragrances like jasmine, gardenia, and patchouli. Perfect for personalizing candles, soaps, air fresheners, skin and hair care, and even home diffusers, these oils add a unique touch to any unscented product. Use them safely by diluting, as they are designed for external use only, and feel free to get creative with your favorite blends. Each set includes a variety of floral and fresh scents to inspire your imagination and craft beautiful aromas. Whether you're making massage oils or freshening a drawer, these premium oils make every project special. Embrace the art of fragrance and create your own signature scent today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.